G'day guys and welcome to another video. We are in Palmiste Park. It's a park in the south in Palmis. It's pretty historic. It used to be an estate, a sugarcane estate, and now it's a park. Has some really nice trees and stuff, so we're just going to take a little walk about. We're beside it. You know, leftovers from the estate. Pretty cool stuff, you know, I like history stuff and whatnot. Check it out. Let's see if this wheel still turns. Actually, it could a little bit. Let's take a look at the park itself. So the younger ones, they have like a 5K coming up for a charity event and they want to prepare, so they want to come and walk. And in the south, like if you're around the Penal de Bay area, Palmiste Park is a nice place to come. You could tell a lot of history here. Look at the trees, estate trees, because they provide a lot of shade. And look at the root system on this thing, man. Pretty cool. Check out the roots. Pretty cool. It's like taking over. Heart-shaped pond, I'm guessing. And if you look over here, you see more remnants of the estate. You see that wall? Let's zoom in a little bit. Yeah. So this is a public park that you could come and relax. And there is a trail that I'm walking on. Used to run and exercise, and it is very much used by the public. Kind of birds. Different areas. There's this area that's more densely, you know, forested. People don't really go there unless you want to be somewhat adventurous. But then there is the area like this that is nice, manicured lawns. Come and have a picnic, whatnot. We have the park, and right there is the road, like a main road going to like San Fernando. You'll see the cars passing. Alright, so it's not like located in the back somewhere, right in the main road. Check out this tree here. We all agree it's nice and the walking track is great, but as it's clear from my last video, I'm talking about my last video, I uploaded that video. It's the hike from Bamboo Cathedral up to the tracking station and back. No one is watching that. Please, if you're seeing this video, go and watch that video also. Give it some views. I don't know what happened. That video hardly got 100 views. So please go back and watch it. Anyway, as was established in that video, I am so unfit. This is not a hard walk. And I'm breathing heavy. Look like rubber trees. Are we seeing those bird nests? Pretty nice. As you can see, that's people's property. We're at the edge of the park. We're going to walk back. So we're on the paved path, and as you can see, that's the main road right there, as we saw further up. Palms in Palmiste Park. So that's the track we were walking on there. Two dogs just hanging out. We don't know who they belong to. Or if they're strays. So, some facts about Palmiste National Park. Apparently that's the name, Palmiste National Park. It's a former sugarcane estate, formerly owned by Sir Norman Clement or Clement. Then it now belongs to the government, of course.
90 feet long.
It's about 40 acres and there is a large variety of trees and shrubs from all over the world. Of course, trees and shrubs that could survive in our climate. Alright. So I've driven by here many times. This is like the first time I'm walking in the park, but I've stopped. Right on the top there is a eating area where you can stop and buy different things, especially like doubles and whatnot. So we're walking past that now. So it's a weekday and in the afternoon, so a lot of the places are closed, but as you can see you can get burgers, gyro, coconut vendors, all kind of thing there. Of course doubles and whatnot, right in that eating area. So this is kind of the main part here. Greens. It's getting late, all the lights are turning on. My squad decided to go off track. I think that's them in the back there. Somewhere there. Trying to keep up. They're young. So I'll leave them for a minute and I come to find Shiv voluntarily rolling down the hill. Pretty sure if I do that, I'll damage myself. You okay?
I think it's a roll.
Funny. So I don't know if you can see in the back there, that's a kids area, but we don't need a kids area when you have a tree, as you can see. You're doing pull-ups. It's take and replace now. Inside the park. Alright guys, so it was just a nice little stroll through Palmis and the park, and I said let me share it with you guys. We're heading back to the car and we're going to head out. As you can see, it's getting dark, so you know we want to head home. As always, thanks for watching. Remember to support the channel, watch my videos, and remember to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.